Hello everyone and welcome to How to Speak Bosnian. Today I'm using this lesson to teach you how to pronounce names of some of the famous Balkan people. So let's start. Izetbegović. Bakir Izetbegović. Ivo Andrić. Ivo Andrić. Danis Tanović. Danis Tanović. Tomo Miličević. Tomo Miličević. Edin Džeko. Edin Džeko. Dino Merlin. Dino Merlin. Ivana Miličević. Ivana Miličević. Goran Bregović. Goran Bregović. Haris Džinović. Haris Džinović. Thank you for learning how to pronounce names of some of the famous Bosnian or Balkan people with us today. For more awesome videos, don't forget to subscribe to How to Speak Bosnian below. Until next time, ciao.